One of the best things about 3D printing is being able to create personalized gifts and trinkets for those people around you, coworkers, family, nephews, friends. And so today, let's talk about what you can 3D print as a gift this holiday season to make a lasting impression. 3D printing allows you to create some really cool artistic pieces that are perfect for a gift. For example, take a look at this hexagon tree design. Print this bad boy out, buy a $15 Walmart picture frame, put a nice white background on it, and boom. I put this in my living room, and almost every person who visits talks about how cool it is. Then when I tell them that I 3D printed it, their mind is blown. This is a great gift for less than $20, and you can choose any type of art or design you want to personalize it to the recipient. I love printing 3D models for people because if you're careful with the model and slicing parameters, you can make them incredibly detailed. Print them white and you can paint them, and you can print characters from Dilbert, Hollow Knight, TV shows, Pokemon, or even models of you or your loved ones. The possibilities are endless, and they make for gifts that are adored by the person who receives them. They can be used for display pieces, paperweights, play toys, and much more. Look on Thingiverse or Cult 3D to find a ton of options, and it's only going to cost you some filament and creativity. Along the same lines as the art idea, a project and website called Hex 100 takes hexagonal designs and allows you to print them in different colors. There are some really cool designs and literally hundreds of them. You can print them together or glue them together. You can make some art, use them as coasters, or just use them in any other clever way. But I love the mathematical designs. Some look like optical illusions, and ultimately this really is one of my favorite projects that I've worked on. And better yet, it's vastly unique and can be personalized for the exact someone who already has everything that's on your shopping list. There is a creator on Cult 3D called Flexi Factory, and although you do have to pay for the STL files, they are cheap. But the models are amazing quality, and they produce print-in-place models that freely move. I've created the Flexi Gingerbread Man, fish, skeleton, astronaut, and more, and have loved every single one of them. Many you can either scale up or down, and it works perfectly, and to think you don't require any supports or any additional work on your end is amazing. You can print in white and paint them yourselves or allow the recipient to customize them. These are amazing little prints and ones I recommend highly for anybody. I know lithopanes and lithographs aren't new, but I do want to highlight this again because every single person that I have given these to is blown away. I use lithopainmaker.com, and all you have to do is upload an image to spit out an STL file, and best of all, it's free. You can get all types of different shapes, different borders, and more. The more contrast in the photos, the better the result, but this is the perfect personalized gift that will surely please. Print pictures of people, pets, or family, but just don't limit your creativity to people. You can print sceneries, items, any 2D image that you can get your hands on. I love this idea, and one that certainly you need to remember come Christmas. I love this mechanical Christmas gift box because it's just simply so cool. I love models that move, and although this is in fact a pretty complex print needing a lot of time and construction, it makes for a great presentation of a present. You can put a smaller gift inside, you can reuse it each year if you'd like. This model is on Colts 3D, costs less than $2 for the STL file, and overall I think just a really cool 3D print for Christmas time. There are so many other ideas and objects out there. Drop them in the comments below to help fellow printers find new creations. I hope you have a Merry Christmas and wish you luck in your 3D printing gift-giving endeavors.